Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about NIO as its earning day is coming on 1st of March. I believe from what I've read so far that it's gonna be after the market close, probably in the start of the after hours on March 1st. I think NIO is gonna come up with some great earning reports. We will see, but in this video, mostly I'm going to be talking about the long-term potential that the stock has and where do I see this stock in 5 to 10 years from now. We all know that the EV cars are the future. Biden already spoke about it. In China, they are expecting in 2025 to have their 20% of cars being EV cars. NIO is the leader of EV cars in China, and in this aspect, NIO's earning day on March 1st, I think it makes real sense to really know what's gonna happen, and whatever happens, to not panic. But I do believe the earnings is going to be positive and they're going to crush it on March 1st. Let's get into the NIO stock and see where I see this stock going in the next 5 to 10 years and where it's sitting right now and how it was lately for NIO. So if you look at Yahoo Finance page, NIO is right now trading at 45.78. I mentioned that in yesterday's video that NIO's market cap is 71 billion. It does not have an earning yet. Its PE ratio hasn't mentioned, but it's in an early phase of its emerging company. Of course, it's well recognized right now, right after Tesla. NIO is right up there. Recently, if you look at its 52 weeks range, it was touching 66, almost 67 in its stocks, $67 in the stock's price. Overall, there is massive correction going on in the stock market. NIO wasn't too late, it wasn't long. In February 10th, you can see it was 62.40. It has dropped quite significantly ever since, like all the other stocks that we know about. At one point, it was even trading, as you see here, on February 26th, it was trading at 44.43. So right now, it has bounced slightly back. I do think that on Monday, this stock will go slightly up, maybe 3 to 6% higher. And I think people are going to wait what the earning report will be. Personally, I think from the fundamental of the company that this stock won't go down even if the earning report is negative, which I don't think so. I think the earning report is going to be positive. But what I see for the long term, I think this market cap of this company is going to be in trillions in the next 5 to 10 years, just like other YouTubers think so the same. We all know that Tesla is going to reach very soon being a $1 trillion company. It's already its market cap is 650. NIO is at its footprint. If it's just like it's already hinting to expand its global powerhouse to Europe, to the US market, hire new right people for its production houses. This all indicates that the power that this EV company has is going to be massive. It's going to be huge. Its sales report for January were amazing. They sold somewhere around 7,225 cars in January only. In 2020, overall in the full year, they had sold 43,000. That tells you that it already has doubled if you multiply those 7,225 by 12, which is coming in 90,000 range. That tells you that the promise that they had made that by end of 2021 that they are going to be having 150,000 cars produced, they are totally in line with that, and that they are going to extend that and double it to 300,000 by end of 2020. I think this is all in coherence. I think NIO is doing great. It has a huge potential overall in the next 5 to 10 years. I think just like Tesla being extended to China and already taking 40% of their EV market, I think NIO wants the same, being totally working in partnership with Chinese government. I think NIO wants the same in US and Europe market, and I think they are gonna dominate those markets alongside Tesla. So I think that if we consider the fundamentals of the company, NIO should do great. And in the next 10 years from now, I think it's gonna easily reach 10 to 15 times of its price right now. So if you ask me, is it the right time to invest in NIO? My advice will be there won't be any better time. Of course, there is massive correction going on in the stock market, just like I described that the stock was trading at around February 10th in the higher 60s, and since then it has 25% of correction in it. I do think that this could still play a role. There is still a chance that the market corrects itself. The whole market was in a bubble, especially the EV cars. They were overpriced. There is the base being in search now. Every stock is looking for its base. There is massive sell-off, and I think there is this possibility. So, but if you ask me, I would be dollar costing average. I will be buying every red day from now on, and when the pop comes, which will be a V-shaped pop, I think this stock should do really well. So this was my NIO stock update before the earning day. I wouldn't be selling. I would be buying more if it's still red, but I do believe that the earnings are gonna come very, very good, and NIO is gonna crush it. So that was my brief Sunday video for you guys. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video, and please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so that I see the appreciation if it was of value for you. I will see you in the next video.